Hey, what's up guys, this is Sarvesh from SKH Tech back with another video. This is the second episode of the monthly pick series. If you haven't watched the first episode, then go ahead and watch it. The link for it along with everything mentioned in this video will be there in the description box below. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first pick is an app called DigiLocker. The app is available for both Android and iOS. This is an app developed for Government of India. This app lets you apply for the digital copies of your driving license, vehicle RC, Aadhaar card and PAN card. These digital copies are digitally signed by respective ministries of Government of India. These digital documents are at par with the original documents. So yeah, this is definitely a must-have app for all the Indians. Next pick for this episode is a podcast named Crazy Genius. It's a weekly podcast which in 2019 completed its third season. It tries to answer some of the big and unanswered questions about science, technology and current lifestyle in general. It's hosted by The Atlantic's Derek Thompson. The first season tries to answer the question, is technology moving us forward or backward? The episodes are usually half an hour long and very informative. So, if you also want to know answers to some of the modern day questions in a simple language, definitely go listen to this one. The final pick of this episode is a TV series called Manifest. It's a series from NBC which currently is in its second season. It's a suspense drama series in which a flight disappears and reappears after 5 years, and after coming back, all the passengers on board soon start to unfold a major deep mystery. The episodes are about 45 minutes long and all the released episodes are currently available on Amazon Prime Video. So guys, that's it for this episode of Monthly Picks. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. Comment down below if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button to ensure that you will never miss a video posted by SKH Tech. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.